Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today's tutorial is based on how to recover your online banking account of Wells Fargo. In this following video, I will be showing you step-by-step tutorial on how to recover your online banking account. You make sure to watch the video till the end and also make sure to check your internet connection. First of all, open up your web browser. You can use any web browser of your choice. As you open your web browser and on the search box type in the link that is www.wellsfargo.com. You can find the link on my description box below. As you type in the link on the other page, you will be directed into the official site. So on the following page in the left hand side corner, you can see there is a login page. You can see in order to log in, first of all, you must provide your login information that includes your username and your password. In case you're not able to log in because of your incorrect user ID or your password, what you have to do is simply tap on Forgot Username or Password in the bottom left corner. On the other page, you will be directed into Help Center. Over here, you can see that you'll either have to provide your social security number or your username. So in case if you don't have your social security number, so then type in your username. And in case if you don't know your username, so then type in your social security number. So once you're done entering your information, tap on Continue in the bottom right corner. On the other page, you'll have to verify your identity. So for that, you'll have to enter your date of birth. So then make sure to enter the correct date of birth that is associated with your Wells Fargo bank account. Last but not the least, on the other page, you'll either have to provide your card number, account number or loan number in order to verify your identity or in order to recover your account. So once you're done entering your information, make sure to review it once again. Only then tap on Continue in the bottom right corner. As soon as you tap on Continue, and if the provided information is correct, on the other page you'll get to reset or recreate a new login information. And once you're done recreating a new login information, go back to your login page and then type in the newly login information that you've recently created. So that is how you can recover your online banking account of Wells Fargo. That's all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.